Hi there, I am Kavya from ZONAR Enterprise Solutions. We must choose the expenses categories for adding a new expense category. As you can see, some categories of expenses have been mentioned. Expense category help to organize and classify expenses in a meaningful way. By assigning expenses to specific categories, companies can gain better visibility into their spending patterns and identify areas where they may be overspending or where cost savings can be achieved. Select the Add button to create a new expense category. Type the name of the group. Let's say fuel. Give a category code if required. Then decide which account heads to use. It is to generate accurate financial reports and statements, which are critical for compliance and regulatory purposes. Two main heads are indirect and direct expense. Direct expenses are those expenses that are directly related to the production of goods or services. Indirect expenses, on the other hand, are those expenses that are not directly related to the production process, but are necessary for the business to operate. For example, in a transportation company, fuel expense would be considered a direct expense since it is directly related to the core business. On the other hand, in a manufacturing company, fuel expense used for running machinery and equipment would be considered an indirect expense since it is not directly related to the production. Let us consider this as service sector, therefore fuel is an indirect expense. Then select Save. This is how the expense categories need to be added. Thanks.